Same analogy. Suppose for example, I want to multiply any number by 12. Suppose I want to multiply any number by 12. Everyone please pay attention here, sir. I want to multiply any number by 12. Now this is ending with 2 here, right? This is ending with 2. Can I say that the logic here is take the first digit, because it was ending with 1 here in 11, I multiplied by 1, right? I multiplied by 1, but here it is ending with 2. I will multiply by 2 plus the next digit, and the same process will continue until you get the last digit, right? Until you get the last digit. What is the meaning of this, sir? Can you prove it with an example? Yes, sir, I will prove it with an example, right? Now 123 into 12, right? 123 into 12. Step number 1, write down this first digit 1 as it is, right? Write down this first digit 1 as it is. To get my second digit, take the first digit, multiply it by 2. Why 2? Because it is ending with 2. First digit is 1. 1 into 2, it is 2. Add it with the next digit. Next digit in the number is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. That means my second digit in the answer is 4, right? My second digit in the answer is 4. Now to get the third digit of my answer, take the second digit, multiply by 2. Second digit is 2. I am writing for step by step for one problem. Multiply this by 2. Add it with the next digit 3. Add it with the next digit 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. That 7 should be my third digit. And then to get the last digit, see here, in multiply by 11, you are writing last digit as it is. Actually, you are not writing last digit as it is, sir. That last digit is nothing but last digit into 1, right? Similarly here, it is last digit 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. This should be my answer. I believe that this is what I exactly call it as connecting the dots. And I believe that my students can create miracles knowing all this concept. Why cannot you people create miracles, sir? I know that you can definitely make it big in life if you know how to crack an examination. Aptitude examination is a science. It is a science. You should know the science behind cracking that examination, right? I believe that the idea is very, very clear for you people. One more last example by multiply by 2. Suppose for example 5692 multiply by 12. Same logic. This time I will not write all these things, sir. First digit write down as it is as 5, right? Write down as it is as 5. Second digit, first digit 5 into 2, double it. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Write down 6, carry 1. Write down 6, carry 1. To get my third digit, take the second digit 6, double it. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. Write down 1, carry 2, right? Third digit, 9 into 2 is 18. Sorry, 9 into 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Write down 0, 2, carry. And then this last digit multiply with 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Finalize the answer. It is 4, 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. Where is the difficulty, sir? I want to understand where is the difficulty for this logic. Where is the difficulty? And I do not want my students to study only till multiply by 12 as Ishwar is rightly pointing out as of now. What if the case is multiply by 13? Yes, Ishwar, you can. That is the beauty of concept. I am not sure whether you people are understanding my emphasized point there. Concept, you should hit it. You should hit the concept right, so that everything will be so beautiful. The concept for 13 is multiply the digit by 3 and add it with the next digit, and then keep continuing till the last digit. One example for my students. 569 into 13. Tell me the answer, sir. Write down the first digit as it is as 5. Take the first digit, triple it. 5 into 3 is 15. Add it with 6. 15 plus 6 is 21. Write down 1, carry 2. Triple 6, 18. 18 plus 9 it is 27. Write down 7, carry 2. 9 you have 9 triple it, because 9 you should multiply by 3. 9 into 3 is 27, carry 3. Finalize the answer. It is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10 with again carry 1. Right, 7 plus 3 is 10. I think I made a mistake here, sir. The mistake what I did here is 9 into 3 is 27. Carry should be 2, not carry 3. Right, carry should be 2. So 2 plus 7 is 9. Write down 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. And then 5 plus 2 is 7. Answer should be 7397. Answer should definitely be 7397. Next, type 3 in multiplication. Type 3 in multiplication. Type 3. Type 2 is nothing but multiply by series of ones. Type 3 is nothing but multiply by series of nines. Multiply by series of nines. Type 3 is multiply by series of nines. Again 3 to 4 example. Again 3 to 4 example. See here. First question. 31472 into 999. Listen carefully, sir. 31472 into 999. Step number 1. Write down 31472. Write down 31472. Step number 2. How many nines are there in this number? There are, into 4 nines is the question, sir. Right? How many nines are there in this number? There are 4 nines. If there are 4 nines, start from the rightmost digit. After 4 places keep a slash. Right, after 4 places keep a slash. If I keep a slash after 4 places, left hand side of the slash there are some digits, right hand side of the slash there are some more digits. Let us take individually and do it. Now left hand side of the slash I have a digit called as 3. Add 1 for it. What is 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1 is 4. Subtract that 4 from the entire number. I am repeating again. Left hand side of the slash I have a digit called as 3. Add 1 for it. The next number of 3 is 4. Subtract that 4 from the entire number. If I subtract that 4 from the entire number, 31472 minus 4 is 31468. Right, 31468. Now left hand side of the slash we took care of. Now we need to take care of right hand side of the slash. The digits which are there in right hand side of the slash are nothing but 1472. Everyone listen carefully, sir. 1472. In all these digits, last digit subtract with 10. Only the last digit subtract from 10. Remaining digits subtract from 9. That means 10 minus 2 is 8. All the other digits subtract from 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. This should be the final answer. 2 more examples. Do not worry if you are not that clear with the first question. I will take multiple questions so that it will be clear for you people. Suppose my next question is 172136. 172136 into 9999. Right, 172136 into 9999. Step number 1. Write down 172136. Step number 2. There are 4 nines. After 4 places put a slash. Left hand side of the slash you have 17. Add 1 for it. It becomes 18. Subtract that 18 from the entire number. It becomes 172118. 36 minus 18 is 18. Now right hand side of the slash the numbers are 2136. Except the last digit. Subtract everything by 9. Only the last digit subtract from 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. This should be the final answer. I believe that it is clear, sir. This should be the final answer. Now, suppose for example, you might again get a doubt. Sir, there are 6 digits in this number and there are only 4 nines. So, after 4 places I can put a slash because left hand side some more extra digits are present. What if there are 7 nines? Only 6 digits are there. Suppose 1 or 2 examples. Suppose for example I will take a number 546. I will take a number 546 into 999. Right, 546 into 999. Write down that 546. Right, write down that 546. Now After 3 places I should put a slash, but left side nothing is there. 546 can also be written as 0546. You got left side 0, add 1. That 1 subtract from the entire number. 546 minus 1 is 545. Every digit subtract from 9 except 10. The last digit subtract from 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. This should be the final answer. I hope the idea should be very, very clear, sir. I hope it should be very, very clear. One last question. Suppose 321 into 99999. So this 321 I will write it as it is. After 5 places I should put a slash. Put the required number of zeros, put a slash after 5 places. 0 plus 1 is 1. Subtract that 1 from the entire number. 321 minus 1 is 320. 9 minus 1 is 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. This should be the final answer. Please comment in the live chat if this particular beautiful concept is very, very clear for you people. Please comment in the live chat, sir. In fact, suppose, see here, in fact, can I say that this number is 5-digit number, but there are only 4 nines. This is the concept I will implement. Suppose like this, if it is there, the number is also a 3-digit number and there are only 3 nines. This is one of the method which I can implement. I can also implement a little faster method also. Suppose for example 2-digit number multiplied by 2 nines, right? Multiplied by 2 nines. Same logic in a different way I am telling you. You decide which is the best method for you. Now see here, the number is 16. Subtract 1 from it. If I subtract 1, I will get 15. Put a slash. Write down this 99 as it is. Write down this 99 as it is. Now, whatever number you wrote here, subtract 15 from this 99. Answer is 1584. Simple. Few more examples, sir. Don't worry. I am there for you to clarify so many doubts of you. 23 and 99. Both are 2-digit numbers itself. Write down this 23, write down this 99. Write down this 23, write down this 99. But you should not write 23 here. If it is 23, you should write 22. 1 less than 23. Same 22, write it, subtract here. Write this 22 as it is. 99 minus 22 is 77. This should be the answer. This is another methodology where you can implement to multiply two numbers by series of nines. This method is also similar to my previous method, but if the number of digits in the actual number and the number of nines both are same, you can use this method or that method. Suppose, tell me the answer. 256 into 999. 256, 1 less is 259. 999, I will write it as it is. Subtract 999 with 255. Write down this 255 as it is. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. This should be the answer. These all you should definitely know, sir. And I believe that simplification was difficult once upon a time. Once upon a time has gone. Your past is a cancelled check. Now let us concentrate on the future and make our book a beautiful book. Now one last question in this concept. 49625 into 99999. 49625, 1 less is 49624. And I will write this 99999 as it is, and I will subtract with 49624. Answer is over. First 49624 I wrote as it is. 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 4 5. This should be the answer. How much time it will take for you to solve these questions, sir? It is just a second to solve these questions if you know the concept.